Okay, so it started. Um, so on the question, I'll tell you what I got. For 3, it says the total area under a density curve must equal 1. I got that on there.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
That's what I got too.
okay. Katie, can you hear us now?
Can you hear
I,
me?
I can hear.
Okay, cool. Sorry, I changed computers. Last time was a
Okay,
week
you're
ago.
fine.
But I hope it
We
works.
just started the broadcast and we just got on number 3. We just barely started.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
so for number 4, it says under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis, and I said false
I
because
think that's false also.
yeah.
That's what I said.
And then for 5, a normal density curve is symmetric. That
Isn't
one's true.
that
True.
true? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and then for 3,
Excuse
Sarah, I don't
me.
know if you heard, but what we said, it's 1.
Yeah, that's what I had too.
Okay.
Awesome.
Um, and for question 6, I kind of guessed on it. I really only got to question 6.
Okay.
I
I just
said
put. Isn't it 1,
for
which
the.
is C? Isn't the Z score C?
That's what I said.
Okay.
Because at least on
Yeah.
the applet thing, that's what it says.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what the number is for it.
Okay. Sounds good. And then for 7, I put B. That's
Yeah, I
bigger.
agree.
Yep.
Okay. And then the fill in the blank ones I haven't even started, so.
Okay.
I started with one. Um.
Okay. So within 1 standard deviation of the mean, 68% will be within
That's
that,
Yeah, I said
right?
68 too. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Because it's just the lowest percentage, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Um, 9, suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 0?
And 1.
I
Negative
wasn't
1
sure
and
if I did this right. 0.317. I don't know if I did that right.
Wait, what are you supposed to do? I get that you. What are you plugging into the
yeah.
Well,
normal
I just
applet?
put in the 1 and the -1 on the z-scores,
Oh,
and I
you
put
just make that in
the
the
area. I don't
z-score.
know if that's right.
Here, let me try it. Oh, I have that. Okay, so it's 0.317, right?
That's what I put, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Zero
You
point
just
eight.
you just enter it in and then it gives you that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we do the same thing for 10, but with -2?
Yeah. I have to round it. But I got 0.046, I guess. Rounding it to 3.
Well, you got 0.46.
Yeah,
Yes.
so 0.046. Is that what you guys got?
Um,
What I got.
okay, well, I guess I'll go off that because
Do
I'm a
you
little.
have your do you have your applet up?
Um, where did it go? Let me find it real fast. Hold on.
Okay.
You guys can work on the next question. Let me just try to find it. It
Okay.
disappeared on me.
I got
So
0.003, the next one.
okay, hang on. I didn't plug it in yet. Okay, 3.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. I got point zero zero. Oh, 0.003. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. That's
Okay,
how I think we're supposed
yeah,
to do
that's
it.
what I got too. So point
Okay.
0.003. That's what you guys got too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then for
Uh,
12, I got the values match the 68,
Percent.
95
Yeah.
rule.
okay.
Because the other ones didn't make sense to me, and that one
Yeah.
did.
Because they weren't doubling, and
Yeah.
then they didn't increase. They
Yeah,
decreased.
they exactly.
And it's in with the 1 and 2 and 3 deviation, so
Yeah.
okay.
So these ones I struggled with, so I didn't do these ones.
So the amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. They are solid. Okay, I'm just gonna skip that. The protein requirement is given in terms of the numbers of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. The population is 0.66. Then Parker standard deviation is 0.07. Okay. What proportion of the population has a protein requirement that is less than 0.6?
Okay.
So I was trying to use the applet for this. I just didn't know what went where, because we know the standard
We have to find
deviation. We know that the. Hey, could you do that equation thing where we have to find?
the z-score. I think we have to plug in that equation and find the z-score and then plug that into the applet.
Okay, that makes more sense.
I
Yeah.
think, but I'm gonna try it.
Okay. So 60.
So we don't put the 0.16 as the area, right? What
was
are you?
that?
So that's 60 minus. No. But what would x be in the equation? Is that the one that you're doing?
Yeah, so I was just wondering about that. Okay, so if the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60, does that go in for X or is that like the z-score? That's what I was wondering.
So wouldn't it just be the population requirements 0.66 minus 0.66, right?
So
Well,
it just.
it's X minus the population mean. So it's going to be X minus 0.66. But I don't know what our X is. I was thinking it might be the 0.6.
So can you get a negative number for that though?
I think so.
Because I was
But I don't.
looking on the example, like on the reading, and
Uh-huh.
like computing z scores, and it was always that like x was greater than whatever that u is or whatever.
Yeah, so okay. So I don't know what our X is then. And what would the 0.6 be
Would
then?
it be the 6?
What?
Because one of them isn't it supposed to. Because we're trying to figure out the less than 0.6.
Yeah.
And then the average is
So
0.6. So
would
it's
that make
those
the
two. I
Z?
just don't know which.
I didn't hear you, sorry.
That's okay. It's cutting it out. But it's the 0.66 and the 0.6 are the two, and then the 0.07 I think is on the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't know which one goes where.
Okay. But like our Z-score, there's a negative and a positive Z-score. Like when you
Isn't
plug
that
it
just
into the applet. Huh?
isn't that just the number you get? So because there's like 1 and then -1. So wouldn't it just be like, okay, if you get like If you get 3, that's your answer, then the negative would just be -3.
Yeah. So, but I don't know if, like, in your equation it can turn out to be a negative. I thought it was okay, but I don't know.
I got, so I just did 0.06 because from 0.66 minus 0.60, I got 0.06 divided by 0.07.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got 0.857.
Okay.
I don't know if that's right or not.
Yeah, I got 0.86. I don't know why I didn't round to the 57, but... So you got 0.857?
Yeah, I think that's
Okay.
right.
So, yeah, I think you're right, too.
Yeah, I got 857.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the portion of the population has a protein requirement that is more than 0.6. What? So would you switch it how you do it? So would you get like a negative number for that?
So,
Because if it's
so
just
it's
how
supposed
many
to...
Sorry, go ahead.
What were you saying, Katie?
Oh, I think we're supposed to use the applet somehow. Like, plug the z-score into the applet,
Yeah.
but then...
That's what I thought too. I thought that number that we got, we were supposed to put in there as the z-score and then see what we got.
Okay, so I added it in, and the z-score is 0.180.
Okay. So if you go less than 0.86, your area is going to be 0.8051. Is that what you got?
Wait, so sorry, repeat that one more time. Yeah, the area I put was 0.857, and
Oh,
then
no, that's your z-score, so you put that at the bottom.
oh, okay. Oh shoot. Okay. So
Yeah, for area I got 0.391.
Okay, but you're supposed to unclick the right side so that only the blue on the left side of that first z-score is
Oh,
showing.
so that's
That's,
left. Oh, okay.
yeah, the left of it.
6 or
wait,
1.
So
so you're saying we're supposed to type in the -1 with that, or the positive z-score?
it
Like
doesn't
which
matter which z-score you put in, it'll automatically put the negative or the positive on the other one.
57? Is that what we got?
Did you get 0.196?
I got 0.8043.
For the area, I got 0.3914.
But did you unclick the very right side? So only the left side is highlighted in blue from
Did
that.
you get the left in the middle?
Yeah, the left in the middle is highlighted.
Then I
But the
got
right,
80.
okay,
So
0.8.
Yeah, point, or
okay, 0.0. So why did you do that? Why did we click on so on the left side, that one's not highlighted?
On the right side, it's not highlighted.
Oh, the right.
Because, like, do you remember when we were working through the problems and it showed you how to work the applet? And so,
Yeah.
like, when something is less than, like, in this one is 0.6, it has to be less than that z-score. So it would be less than the positive z-score. Does
Okay.
that make sense?
Yeah, so you said you guys got 0.8, right?
Is that what Sarah got too?
Yeah, 0.843, but
8043.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
0.804. And okay. I don't want to be wrong, so Sarah, did you check me on that?
Yeah, I got the same thing, and it makes sense.
Yeah, I
Okay,
got this.
perfect.
That's how we do the less than 60, so that makes sense. So then we
Okay.
do the same thing, only it's the more for the next one, right?
Okay, yeah, so the only part that you're going to have highlighted is the very right, I think.
Yeah.
So 0.196, right?
That's what I got.
Perfect.
For 15,
For
right?
14 is what I...
14, yeah.
14. Wait, so for 13 we got .084, right?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I'm just making sure.
Oh, you're good.
And then 1.196.
6, yeah. Okay, so for this one, I have to do the math again, because it's 70.
So do we just do 60 minus 66.66 minus 0.70, right?
Yeah, I do
Isn't it, wouldn't it be,
0.7
yeah,
minus
0.7
0.66.
minus 0.66.
Okay.
Okay. I got 0.571.
Yeah,
You
that's what
guys
I got
got?
too.
Yeah, me too.
Cool. So then we put that as the z-score.
Oh, it's less than that.
And then less than 72 to the middle and the left one highlighted, right?
Yeah.
So 0.716 you guys got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Awesome. This is getting easier.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
So for this one is for 16, do we just it says remember that to find the area between the two values, shade the left of each z-score. So
Calculate and subtract the smaller area from the large. Oh, so we just subtract it. We just subtract what we got for the 0.7. So we subtract 0.716 and what's the other one? 0.804. Is that what the one was?
Because it's less than, yeah, so it's a 13.
Okay, so 0.7
so
minus.
0.088.
Yes,
Well,
that's what I got.
okay, so find the 35 percentile for the 15.
Wait, what did you guys, what was your final value?
Uh, zero. I mean 0.088.
Okay.
Is that what you got, Katie?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and then 35th percentile.
I don't remember how to do this one.
I don't know.
It's with the applet, but I don't remember.
So it's anyone that's 35% or less, right? So we just plug
Yeah.
in the. No, that's not right either.
So, I think, well, I'm going to try something real quick and see what I come up with.
Okay. So what if we did 35? What if we put the 35 in for the x?
That's what I did, but I put 0.35 because it was a percentage.
Right, and then you do the minus 0.60 over 0.07, right?
Yeah, But I don't know. Huh. This is weird. I'm gonna see if it was on the homework.
So, did you get like 3.57? Like it was the actual number?
Well, I'm
Like,
looking. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
oh no, like for the Z or for what?
Yeah, for the z-score.
I got 4.429, but maybe I did that wrong.
Yeah, I don't think that's right. Okay.
0.07. Yeah, I got 4.429.
For the z-score.
Yeah.
That can't be
So
right.
that. So then we take that, and then because we're solving for x, right?
I thought that was the 3.35 question.
Yeah, I thought we were saying the 0.35 is X. But maybe then we plug that back in to find what's like above that, like the X value that's going to be in that 35 percentage.
Because the area has to be the percentage.
Yeah.
So I think
Okay.
we calculate, because I'm looking at the example from the reading, and so it has the z-score, which they plugged in, and then the area is the percentage. So I don't know if we just plug that in with the applet.
Can we do that?
I don't know. So what was the z-score again?
I got 4.429. I don't know if you guys got that.
Well, you know. I think that's a little too high because it says.
I know, it's weird.
So walk me through how you did that so fast.
Oh, what I did is I did hang on. Let's see, 0.35 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07.
To find the z-score.
Yeah, but it is high, so I don't know.
I don't think you use the percentage to find the z-score.
Okay, we might
I
not.
tried I plugged in the percentages of the area, but then you can't change the z-score. Like you can only change one or the other.
Yeah.
Does that
Okay,
make sense?
so 10%.
So what do you subtract? So we first need to find the z-score, right?
I think so.
So what do we subtract to find the so we subtract, like, what number do we subtract from the protein requirement, which is 0.66?
Yeah,
That's
put it in here. I'm
where do
looking
we.
for an example on the homework.
I don't remember reading about this.
Oh,
Because I'm looking at an example on the reading that are
uh-huh.
percentiles using a normal distribution, but I'm trying to see how where they like got all the calculations.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see too. Um, because it looks like they just went off the previous problems. So I don't know which problem we're supposed to use, like which z-score we use. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we just use the last one.
Maybe. Because like on the homework problem number, oh, what number is it? 7. Like it just builds up to it, and like after they subtracted, like in the last problem we just subtracted the 2, right, to get the answer. Then F uses that same. Their next problem uses that same. Just goes off of that,
Um,
I think.
I have no idea.
Let's see. Plus that times that times that. So what I gather is that we have to find X. So we're supposed to already have the z-score, and we're looking for x.
So the z-score is from the last problem we did, which I
Yeah, what's
already.
the z?
Z-score
I
was
don't remember.
0.571.
Okay.
So I guess we go off that.
0.5.
What were the shadings on that one again? I mean, actually, I don't know. Because we subtracted them, we didn't actually do the. So I mean, yeah, the z-score was from problem uh 14. Well, no, 15. My bad, 15.
Okay, so we used the one from problem
15, I guess.
15.
But what were the shadings again on it? Was it the middle? Oh yeah, it was the middle and then the left one.
Yeah.
So then what if we put in 0.35 for that area? Uh,
I think we still. Well, let's see.
change
Like
my.
I'm looking at an example where it says define the 75th percentile, and it already has their z-score, and they're just solving for x here. And then after they solve for x, they find it.
Okay.
So we're just trying with 0.571.
I guess.
Is that the z-score from the very last problem? I don't remember.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was. So now we're just trying to solve for x.
Yeah.
Okay. So I subtract. Yeah. I haven't done algebra in a long time. I do not think this is right. I have one, but I don't think it's right. So
I have one too. What did you get?
0.086. Then close.
I got
I
0.6.
got 0.06.
Yeah.
Is that what you got, Katie?
I got no. Well, I got 0.69997. So point
Okay.
7000.
So we did. Okay. So let's just see if the equation's correct. So 0.571 equals x minus 0.66. Is that what everyone started with?
Divided by 0.07.
Yeah, divided by 0.07. So then you would times it to get rid of it dividing, you would times 0.07 times 0.571, right?
Yes. Correct.
So 0.571 times 0.07, 0.03997.
That's what I got.
Okay,
Yep,
and then to get rid of that, to move that 0.66 over, don't we add it, right?
Yep, you add it.
Multiply it by 0.072 on that side.
Well, hold on a second.
I could be totally wrong. I told you, I'm really rusty on algebra. Sorry.
No, yeah, you add it over.
Oh, okay.
So
That's right.
Katie was right. 0.699. So I hope that's right.
So it would be like 0.700.
Yeah, but then where did we get that percentage? Because we have to do. Where does that percentage go into?
Okay, so I think what you do is you plug this into the area 0.7. Let's see, 0.7 of the applet.
So then the z-score would be 0.524.
Um,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm lost on this.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Let me look at the book real quick.
But I don't get it because in the example, I don't see where they put in the percentile.
I
Yeah, that's where
know.
I'm confused.
Yeah, they didn't. Let's see here. Let's see, where's that? I'm gonna try plugging that example in to the Apple and see if I can get the answer that they did.
Okay, so I just kept, so what I did, so the z-score was 0.571, and then I just put in the area 35.35, and then my
Uh-huh.
z-score changed to 0.385. I don't know if that's right or not.
So just change it up. That would make sense because that would mean that was the percent. Yeah, I think.
Let's see.
So then I'm thinking we take that z-score and plug it in for that. Because what I'm seeing, like in this example, I'm seeing that they put the 90% in the area, but somehow they already got their um, somehow they already got. Actually, let me try something. Hold on.
Oh, so at the beginning, before they even do the problem, yeah, the
Yeah?
area is 0.90, and then you put in it. So it's like it's already in there at the beginning, and that's how they get their z-score. And then they solve for x with that.
Okay, I figured it out.
You did?
Yeah, I did. Hold on a second. 1282. Uh, what the heck? Okay. Okay, I figured it out.
Alright.
Um, so let me go to this.
I think I got it too.
Okay, so they started from 0. That's what they had. Like I figured out how they like the example got it. They just started from 1, and then they had the
Yeah.
middle. They had the middle figured out. Like it was the middle highlighted, and then it was like the left. And then I plugged in 90, which then I got the z-score. So I'm gonna plug in 35, which the
I got
z-score is 0.385. So that's what I got the original time.
Yeah, so I got 0.385, so I think we're supposed to use that as the z-score.
And then plug in for it.
Yeah.
Wait. Sorry, I'm behind. What's the
Oh, no, you're
z-score?
So
fine. So
0.385.
the 3.85, and then
And then we solve for x. Now that makes sense.
Okay.
0.07. Yeah, so 0.385 times 0.07 plus 6. Oh, 0.66. Okay, I got 0.68.
Hold on
I
one
think
second.
0.687.
Hold on.
You got what?
I got, so, I mean, let me redo my math just to make sure. So 3.85 times 0.07 and then plus 0.6 66. Yeah, that's what I did. I got 0.687.
I got 0.073. Dang it.
How did you do it, Sarah?
What's
So,
the z-score again? Sorry.
No, you're fine. You guys.
We're using the which z-score?
So okay, so the z-score that we started out with was 0.385, right?
yeah.
Does that make sense? So doing the same exact thing, like the other numbers are still the same. So you times that by 0.07,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
and then you add then you add 0.66.
So I
So I
multiply.
get
Oh, sorry, what did you get?
0.687.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just
What
go
was your
with that.
Okay. So then let me just plug in let me just restart this 0, and then
Sorry, what did you guys both get for it?
0.687.
687. Okay. And then you just do the same thing and you just put 0.80.
Yeah. So for this, so the z-score now for the 80 percentile is um, 0. It's 0.842. So then we just do the same process again. I'm pretty sure.
Oh wait, what is the answer to number 17?
0.687.
0.687, right?
Yeah. Is that what you got?
Okay.
0.42.
Yeah.
So then for 18, I'm doing the 80th percentile, and the z-score for that is 0.842.
Yeah, so then we multiply that by 0.07, and then you add the 0.66, but I got a whole number.
Oh, you did? I got 0.719.
Plus 0.66. Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah,
got
seven,
0.719.
sorry, got that now.
Okay, so wait, so everyone got that, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Can you tell me where the z-score came from, though, for the
So,
80 percentile?
so you started at, so the z-scores are 1, right? So you start at just like a complete clean slate. So then you would
So,
enter the area would be the percentage. So you would enter like, so 80%. So I don't know if you want to try it
would
on
you
yours
enter
or not.
0.8? Yeah, I'm trying it right now.
Like, 0.8, and then press enter,
Okay.
and
And then
then
you
you
get
got
your scores.
0.842. But I just had a quick question. Do you guys know why? Because the middle's highlighted and the left's highlighted. Do you guys remember why? Because of that, I can't remember.
Yeah, because on the other one it was only the left side, the 0.35. I think it's because it's in between, because the 0.35 was less, it's outside the first standard deviation, and then like 80%.
Oh, okay.
Does that
Oh
make
yeah,
Yeah,
sense?
because it's for anybody who gets up to the 80 percentile.
Yeah.
okay. So if you were to plug that in anyway, it would
Because if you did one, then it'd be 100%, and then the whole thing would be highlighted.
yeah. Okay, that makes
Yeah.
sense. Because that's just
So,
showing how everyone got it. So
Yeah.
the higher percentage tile you get, that means like that 20% that didn't get that 80%, those are like the really smart people, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
those are the highest grades, or whatever, you know.
we
Okay,
don't
yeah.
count that part.
Okay. So do we just want to go over the questions real fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, so for that z-score, I just want to double check. Did you guys get 0.842?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
that's not what I got.
For the z-score, not the actual answer.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, for
yeah.
the z-score. That's what I was
Okay,
wondering.
yeah.
Because I plugged it in, I got 0.841, so I was just confused.
Yeah, 842.
0. Oh, I got it. Thank you.
Does that make sense now? It's kind of
Yes, it
confusing.
does. Yep.
Okay, so question 3 is 1, 4 is false, 5 is true, 6 is C, 7 is B, 8 is 68%, 9 is 0.317, 10 is 0.046, 11 is 0.003, 12 is the values match. 13 is 0.804. 14 is 0.196. 15 is 0.716. 16 is 0.088. 17 is 0.687. And 18 is 0.719. Right?
Perfect.
That's what I got.
Okay, I'm
All
just
right.
submitting the.
Me too.
Oh.
What?
Not good?
Well, we got a D.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Um,
How did that happen?
let's see.
I wonder if we just like rounded wrong or something.
Yeah, I
'Cause
don't
it's like
know.
all the answers we plugged in, all the multiple choice we got right.
It'd be nice
Yeah,
if you could see like what it was.
Yeah, we can email him and ask him or something, 'cause that's not right.
yeah. Oh, that kind of stinks.
It does stink. Well, he should see it and he should be concerned probably and probably help us
Yeah,
out with
because
that.
after we just did super well on that last homework, so
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people struggle. This one's hard.
yeah, this one is. So does anyone have any questions or anything?
No, I think I'm just gonna email him though.
Okay, yeah, to kind of see. Yeah, I'm gonna look through it and kind of mess around and see what I did wrong. But so
Sounds
next
good.
Tuesday works for you guys, 6:30.
Yep.
Okay,
Sounds good.
sounds good. Okay,
All right.
thanks.
Talk to you
I'll
then.
post the link
Thanks.
again.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.